Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCO SOF National Cyber Olympiad Class 1 Chapter 5 Computer Mouse. Hey, do you know that apart from a computer, there is another device which is used to interact with a computer? Yes, that is a computer mouse. It is small in size. It helps us to point and select items on screen. So, a computer mouse, it is small in size. It helps us to point and select items on screen. A computer mouse with a tail is called a wired mouse. It usually has two buttons and a small wheel as shown in the given image. So, a computer mouse with a tail is called a wired mouse. See in this figure, you can see a tailed, a wired mouse. See, there are two buttons, a left button and a right button. Then there is a scroll wheel and there is a tail. See, it's a tail or wire. Then a mouse without a tail is called a wireless mouse. See, this is a mouse without a tail. It is called a wireless mouse. The image given here shows the correct way of holding a mouse. See, this is the correct way of holding a mouse. Then clicking the mouse, pressing and releasing a button on mouse is called clicking. So what is clicking? Pressing and releasing a button on mouse is called clicking. First question, a computer mouse is used for dash. Option A, drawing pictures. Option B, playing games. Option C, moving items. Option D, all of these. What is the answer? Option D, all of these. Then, second one, clicking means to dash. Option A, pressing and releasing the left mouse button, moving the scroll wheel, moving the mouse left and right, scrolling the right mouse button twice. So, what is the answer? Pressing and releasing the left mouse button. Option A. Third question. With which part of a computer the tail of a computer mouse is attached? Option A, CPU. Option B, monitor. Option C, printer. Option D, keyboard. What's the correct answer? Option A, CPU. It is connected to CPU because CPU makes all the parts of a computer work. The next one, a mouse has a wheel in the center which is called a dash wheel. Option A, track. Option B, touch. Option C, scroll. Option D, roll. Correct answer is option C, scroll. The wheel in center is called a scroll wheel. The arrow on the computer monitor shown in the given image is called dash. Option A, mouse pointer. Option B, mouse spot. Option C, mouse track. Option D, mouse pad. What's the correct answer? Option A, mouse pointer. The next one, which finger is generally placed on the right mouse button? Option A, middle. Option B, index. Option C, little. Option D, thumb. What is the correct answer? Option A, middle. By dash clicking the button marked as dash will open an item on a screen. See, a figure is given. Here, X is marked here and Y is marked here. So, by dash clicking the button marked as dash will open an item on a screen. What's the answer? Answer A. By double clicking the button marked as X will open an item on a computer. So here X is the left mouse button and Y is the right mouse button. So by double clicking the button marked as X will open an item on a computer. The next one, which of the following provides a smooth surface to move the mouse? Option A, monitor. Option B, mouse pad. Option C, mouse cover. Option D, mouse tail. Which is the correct answer? Option B, mouse pad. Mouse pad provides a smooth surface to move the mouse. Which of the following devices supports wireless mouse? Option A, laptop. Option B, printer. Then option C, speaker. Option D, all of these. Which of the following devices supports wireless mouse? Option A, laptop. Next one, which of the following mouse actions displays a list of commands on screen? Option A, right click. Option B, drag and drop. Option C, scrolling. Option D, left click. Which is the correct answer? Option A, right click. When we right click on an object, a short menu is displayed about the task that can be performed. Which of the following statements is incorrect about mouse? Option A, it is a hand operated device. Is it correct? Yes. It sits inside the computer case. Is it correct? No. Then, it comes in many shapes and sizes. Yes. Option D, all of these. So, which of the following statement is incorrect about mouse? It sits inside the computer case. Next one, a wireless mouse dash. Option A, cannot support drag and drop. B, does not have a cable. C, is not required to click. D, is tough to operate. Which is the correct answer? Option B, does not have a cable. Wireless means without a wire or cable. So, option B is the correct answer. Which of the following actions is being performed in the given image? See the image. Which of the following actions is being performed? Option A, scrolling. Option B, wiggling. Option C, clicking. Option D, both A and B. What is the correct answer? Option C, clicking. We can see in the image shown in the question that left mouse button is being clicked. Okay. Next one, match the following. Column A, click and drag. Then double click, scrolling. Column 2, pressing and holding the mouse button and moving. Moving the mouse wheel up or down. Pressing the mouse button twice. So, what will be the answer? So, what do you mean by click and drag? Pressing and holding the mouse button and moving. That is click and drag. Then, what is double clicking? Pressing the mouse button twice. See, this is the answer. Then, what is scrolling? Moving the mouse wheel up or down. So, what's the correct option? Option D. You will see the menu as shown in the given image when you dash the mouse. When you will see this menu, option A, drag, option B, wiggle, option C, double click, option D, right click. Which is the correct answer? Option D, right click. Next one, Achievers section. Unscramble the words and select the one which completes the following sentence. A computer mouse helps us to move the dash from one place to another. Here the unscrambled words are monitor, printer, keyboard and pointer. Out of this, only option D completes the sentence correctly. A computer mouse helps us to move the pointer from one place to another. So, option D is the correct answer. Count the number of words related to mouse that are hidden in the given word grid. See, we have wiggle. Then, click. Then, scroll. So, how many words are related to mouse that are hidden in the given word grid? 3. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following statements is correct regarding mouse? Option 1, small finger is placed on the left mouse button. Is it correct? No. Index finger is placed on the left mouse button. A mouse is always kept on rough surface? No. A mouse is always kept on smooth surface. Then it can be used to drag and drop items? Yes. It is correct. So, which option is correct? A, B, C or D? Option C is correct. Only 3. Given below is a list of actions. Which of them relates to a computer mouse? First one, it eats grains. Second one, it helps to point. Third one, it is controlled with the hand. So, first one, it eats grains. Is it correct? No. Then, second one, it helps to point. Yes. Then, 3, it is controlled with the hand. Yes. So, which is the option? Option D is correct. Both 2 and 3. Option D is correct. A computer mouse does not eat anything. So, action 2 and 3 relates with it. Then, next. Label the parts of mouse marked by numbers W, X, Y and Z in the given image. So, a mouse is given and some parts are labeled as W, X, Y and Z. We have to identify the parts. What is W? W is left button. Okay, left button. Then, what is X? X is scroll wheel. Then, what is Y? Y is right button. Then, what is Z? Z is tail. So, which option is correct? B. Left button. W is left button. X is wheel. Then Y is right button. Z is tail. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.